Best of your sex life begins at 40. It seeks to explore the idea that the best of your sexual life begins at 40. How to make the most of it, and the benefits that come with it. Today, the average life expectancy is much longer than it was in the past. So it is no surprise that many people are living much longer and healthier lives. This means that it is not uncommon for people to reach their 40s and still be sexually active and enjoying their sex lives. At this age, many people have more time and freedom to explore their sexuality and to experiment with different types of activities. There is no longer the pressure of having to conform to societal norms, and people can choose to explore whatever interests them. In addition, many people in their 40s have more financial freedom and can afford to invest in pleasure-enhancing toys, lingerie, and other items. One of the biggest benefits of reaching your 40s is that a person has gained a lifetime of experience and knowledge. This can be applied to their sex life and can help them to become more comfortable and confident with their partner. Additionally, people in their 40s often have a better understanding of what they want and don't want in a sexual relationship, and they can communicate this more effectively to their partner. Another benefit of reaching 40 is that it is often a time when people are more mature and emotionally stable. This means that they are better able to handle any potential conflicts or issues that may arise in their sexual relationships. In addition, people in their 40s often have a stronger sense of themselves and can be more honest and open with their partner. Finally, reaching your 40s is a great time to explore new things and to take risks. People in their 40s often have more financial freedom to explore different activities and to invest in pleasure-enhancing items. Additionally, people in their 40s can often be more open to trying new things and to pushing their boundaries. This can lead to more exciting and fulfilling sexual relationships. There are a number of other ways to make sure that you get the most out of your sex life in your 40s. One is to make sure that you are taking care of your physical health, as this can have a direct impact on your sex drive and performance. Additionally, communication with your partner is essential for a fulfilling sex life. So make sure to take the time to talk to one another about what you would like to try and what you are comfortable with. Finally, make sure to take the time to explore different activities and to invest in pleasure-enhancing items, as these can help to make your sex life much more enjoyable. In conclusion, reaching your 40s is the perfect time to explore your sexuality and to enjoy the best of your sex life. People in their 40s often have more experience and knowledge, more financial freedom, and a stronger sense of themselves. This can lead to more fulfilling and exciting sexual relationships.